everyone, so before the video begins, I just want to say thank you. I know we didn't get any views in the last video, but it's cool they're making videos. We work every day, so we're like, yeah, let's upload videos. Why not? Should be fun. But yeah, this is super cool, and thank you for watching this. Feel free to like and subscribe, and get right off into the video. Have a good day, y'all.
Morning and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to take you on a little, not tutorial, but like play-by-play of how we go about washing some of our commercial properties.
Yeah, and commercial properties are pretty much like Moe's or Starbucks or McDonald's or Popeyes. So
Panda Express.
yeah, so like things, you know, that are commercialized. All right, let's do it. And also it's 37 degrees out, so
Fuck us.
yeah. Hey guys, so yeah, it gets 37 degrees out, and we make a special solution for that. So we mix our window washing solution, Dawn soap, and rubbing alcohol. That way it doesn't dry on the windows or it keeps it like a little moist, so it's easier to wipe off. So pretty much you get the mop, squeegee, and a bucket of solution. So we don't need that right now, but we're going to show you how to wash the windows over here. So we're still working on this new camera. Don't know how really it works, but pretty much how you wash a window, right? It's already spotless because we wash these windows quite often. But what you do is, alright. We also have waterproof gloves on. Pretty nice. Demo's a pair. Here's a Christmas present, so it's great. So ready? Boom. You wipe your solution on. You hit them with an S. Or you can do straight lines or whatever you want to do. But pretty much, boom. That window's clean. You come in with a towel, wipe the seal, frame. Now see right here, there's some running water. A lot of people forget that. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see that?
See if I can.
A lot of people forget this, and it looks horrible. So you take your actual cloth to wipe the window with, and you just rub it over. Go over the edges again, and boom. That's how you clean the outside of the windows when it's like 37 degrees out in Atlanta. All right, now we're gonna show you how to clean the inside.
We're on the inside of our commercial property now. Gonna get started for you. We don't like to make a mess with a mop and squeegee most of the time, and like you said before, we get these windows pretty often, so it's not very dirty. So what we use is usually spray away solution, microfiber towel, come in through here, get it nice and soaked up, all the way through the corners. Just kind of do a simple back and forth pattern, so you're not creating too many crazy, not like in circles. You don't want it to just look like a weird painting. And then have this guy. It's a microfiber pad. This thing kind of cleans the window. This just kind of polishes it. So then we do the same thing. Go over all the corners, side to side, all the way down. No water drops, and spotless all over again. That's how we do an interior window.
Look at those windows shine. How'd it go, Devin?
I think it went pretty well. Turnover time is pretty much everything for us since we get paid per job.
Sure.
So with a corporate job like this, we try to always be done in 25 minutes. It's usually pretty achievable for us. Sometimes a little bit more, sometimes a little bit less.
And these jobs range from like $50 to $80,
yeah.
somewhere in there.
But we know this owner pretty well, so she usually has door unlocked for us, money set aside for us. This is our location that pays us in cash, and we send them an invoice afterwards, which is nice.
If you guys want to send an invoice, we'll show you in a later video.
Show you our setup. Trying to close a pressure washing deal here. They have dumpster pads, a lot of patio space, so we're actually getting in talk with the owners, either boss or whoever owns the actual location or whatever, sign up for that. So fingers crossed. It's always nice if we can add on more services to an existing job than just try to create an entire new job. So
for sure. All right. Publix bound?
Publix bound, we gotta get some supplies.
There's only two places that a window washer goes to get their equipment. Publix and Home Depot.
I'm gonna try to get one of those 4-packs.
All right, wait, what'd you get?
what I showed you guys earlier for interior glass cleaning, spray away. This stuff is the best. Please, 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 please don't use Windex.
Do not use
Do
Windex.
not use Windex.
Where's the Windex at?
All this shit right here. All this shit.
Guys, Windex will literally destroy your windows. So if your grandma says, I'm gonna clean the windows, and starts with Windex,
Yeah, it does a paper towel, does wax on, wax off on it.
just kick her in the mouth, alright? Dawn is like the greatest thing for windows as well. You can get, I mean, I've never tried this, but that looks pretty cool. Don't kick your grandma in the mouth. That was a joke.
Receipts, they are tax write-offs. Mileage or just car maintenance, that's all write-off as well. You're even going to be able to write off part of our apartment, part of our, it's like 10%, 15% of our rent.
In utilities,
Like, even fucking Wi-Fi.
we think. We don't.
We suspect.
We suspect.
We got a good source on
We got a good source. We are an LLC.
it. Our LLC.
So we're doing things right.